Honestly, guys, Jeep and Dodge have lost their minds. They want you to pay $50,000 for a car that's gonna play ads every time you stop. I want to jump into this and kind of talk about it in a POV drive. So it snowed. This is basically hard as ice now. And so if we try to drive out, I'm pretty sure my bumper's gonna come off. We have no tires. I don't know if we're gonna be able to come out or not. Guys, what is going on? It's your boy Kozak. We're doing a different style of video today. We're doing a POV drive, kind of talk about a little bit of some car news. Stellantis is just messing up, and the crazy part is now that people are getting mad about it, they're not taking responsibility. They're actually pushing it off. Car companies have been trying to figure out how to scam us out of more money. A lot of the car brands that we have are really struggling to make money right now, to make ends meet. Okay, what does Jordan want? These companies are just bleeding money and they want more money, and then there's companies that aren't bleeding money and they still want more money, and we've been kind of in this little like back and forth between the consumer and them really trying to push how they could make more money. So the moment we allow one company to figure out a way to push more money, whether it's locking a feature that comes standard in cars typically, or locking a feature into a subscription, they're gonna figure it out one day. And what we really need to do is not buy these cars. That's really it. Just don't buy these cars. No matter how nice they are, there's no reason for us to be paying money for, you know, for these companies to treat us like this. Like, honestly, we need, like, as a consumer, they should be bringing value to us, and they should be genuinely competing against each other to make a better vehicle, not to try to get more money out of us. It's a $50,000 car, which is more than what most people make in a year. Also gonna make you watch an ad. Look, guys, I'm at a stoplight right now. There would be an ad playing right now on my infotainment screen that I would have to manually go and turn off. Now, this also distracts drivers. Somebody can get in an accident because of this. Yeah, like, it's just mind-blowing that this is something that they thought of. It was a good idea. They are pushing the blame onto the Sirius XM, whatever they're called, saying that they put it in the contract. Bro, you guys signed the contract. Their responses have been terrible. Their response has literally been, well, just hit the X and turn off the ad if you don't like it. And there's so many issues of this, by the way. Yo, I don't know what's going on. A bus and this guy don't want to drive. How are two people? Yo, they probably got ads. Yo, they're watching ads right now, man. Like, it is a Jeep too, so it makes sense that he's watching an ad. Let's be honest. Dude, it's just mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. The depths some of these companies go to try to milk some more money. We've seen it in so many industries too, like the gaming industry with paying for enhanced audio. You know, like, they are really just trying to find any reason to charge us money. There's no way they're not gonna make money from the ads that they're showing in their own cars, right? So the contract they signed was intentional. I don't believe that's like, oh man, this was the best contract we could get. Man, just, you should have paid a little bit more money then, so that your viewers could have been happy. But I don't even think that's the case. Look, guys, I just got another ad. I have to turn off another ad, and it's gonna distract drivers. It's terrible, man. Keep in mind, this isn't the first time this type of things happen. They've been really trying to push the envelope in how to monetize cars more and more. So we've had BMW wanting to charge $18 a month for heated seats. Yo, like, are we serious right now? Like, it's a luxury, sure, but you're taking away something you've already been giving for free. It comes with the car. It doesn't lose you any money. Usually the car is already priced for profit, meaning that you guys already profit off of us buying the car. The cost of the heated seat is factored in, right? And then they want to charge more with it. What they are smoking at Stellantis, I need that, because it gotta be some good shit. I'm gonna be honest, it gotta be some good shit. Now, Jeep owners are already looking for solutions. They're trying to make ad blocks for this sort of thing. I think that is probably the dumbest thing you can do, is buy a car and support this feature still. It doesn't come down to only the car company already, you know, giving you ads and making money off of you. In order to give you the right targeted ads, they have to collect your data. So they're gonna track whether you're going to Starbucks, whether you're going to Target. And not only that, it's like, how far are they gonna go? Are they gonna listen in on your conversations to figure out what kind of things you like? Look for keywords like, oh, how many times did this person say he wants coffee? All of a sudden you have a coffee ad pop up. And it's kind of like, how far are they gonna take it to go? Now, they're definitely gonna track where you're going, where you're driving. That's a given. I wouldn't doubt that car companies don't already do that. We know that, I believe it was actually Ford, I'll correct it on screen if I'm wrong, but Ford was selling data to insurance companies with the 2024 Mustangs on your driving habits. And dude, these things are just such big privacy breaches. It's crazy that they're allowed, but they are. And I don't know, man. It's just like, it's insane. And guys, please don't be one of the people that buys it and gets an ad block thinking you're fine. You're not fine. You're still buying the vehicle, and that's contributing to the issue that other companies might try to take this idea. If it sells well, is that Jalen? There's no way that's fucking Jalen, right? And they're gonna keep trying this stuff. We really gotta shut it down. Honestly, it shouldn't even be allowed. And it is what it is, but like, please, urge you not to buy it. And honestly, guys, what do you think? Like, maybe I know I'm not in the minority here of people that feel this way, but how do you feel about this, you know? Because it'd be interesting to hear some other people's perspectives. Maybe you agree, maybe you slightly disagree, you know, maybe you're somewhere in the middle. Maybe you're fine with buying the car and just turning off the ad block, you know? And hopefully there's just an echo chamber of people that hate this. I honestly feel bad for my, you know, Jeep lovers, my Dodge owners, Chrysler owners, because it's not okay what they're doing. I genuinely feel bad. It just sucks, man. Oh my God, my left tire's fucked. That's crazy, we just ran into Jalen. Well, let's go say what's up to Jalen, guys, and then continue off the video. Ain't no way. Ain't no way, boy. Yo, what's up, bro? What do you think about Stellantis putting ads on their display screen every time you stop the car?
I don't even know what that is, bro.
Like, basically on their display screen, like your little mini screen, there's just gonna be an ad pop-up.
Are they really doing that?
Yeah, for
like in here?
Like right there on the right side, the middle one, the big one.
No way.
Yeah, they're just gonna put an ad every time you stop at a red light.
These niggas just want some money, bro.
Yeah, for real.
You can't catch a break. That's terrible.
Yo, the pop, bro. It's crazy we ran into Jalen, honestly. Make sure to go sub to him, Kamal, and all the other people in my description. They all make great content, and you know, just if you're looking for something similar to mine to watch, or just something good to watch on YouTube that's car content, guys, I'm just saying, we're really not that far off from our cars popping up a screen that asks you if you would like an extended warranty. We're really not that far off in today's day and age from that happening. Honestly, make sure you speak out. When you see people talking about it, you should comment, you should interact, because then those posts get more publicity. When they get more publicity, the companies get more backlash. I feel like people should know about this because it's just messed up. Because there's gonna be a family probably that goes in, buys a Jeep or, you know, a Dodge for $50,000, thinking they're getting a nice family car, something new, and then they constantly have ads popping up, which distract the driver. They're annoying. Like, you know, like, that's just crazy that a company would even consider doing something like this and then do it to this extent and then not take responsibility. Like, hey, we need the money, you know? It's like, it's obviously a money move, but they're just trying to shift the blame And it's just insane. It's really insane. Like I said, guys, let me know what you think about it. I'm curious. Honestly, guys, that's all I have to say about this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's quick. Go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and check out all the channels in my description if you're looking for more content. And I'm gonna go ahead and see y'all later. Toodles. Bye. Oh, shit.